how to fix Discord app. All problem solved in this video. So guys, follow me my step and solve your Discord app all problem. So guys, first step, open the phone setting and tap apps option, and tap now apps option, and tap manage apps option, and search now Discord app. So guys, search now and tap Discord app, and tap clear all data option, and first clear cache option tap now, and ok option tap, and tap clear all data option, and ok now. Go to the back, open the Play Store app, and other of other app, open the Play Store and search now Discord app, and update now your app, Discord app, update now, and back, open the Discord app, and solve your all problem. So guys, like now, subscribe now.